Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's AXS update for Friday 13th of May. And now here we are, and yesterday we talked about how AXS, I don't know if it was yesterday or 2 days before, that potentially, AXS, if it has to actually go to the upside, you're going to find resistance at 27, $28. Now the idea still remains that you have to cross this level, $38, backtest the 33, hold the 33 to go to the upside. Okay, so you might even make something like go down, go up, and something like this, and make left shoulder a head and a right shoulder, and this is going to be a absolute bottom. And then for me it's going to be a nice good pick to the upside to the $54, and that's actually the bullish case. But there's still a lot of problems, and I'm going to tell you why. Because on the monthly we still haven't met the technical target. The technical target on the monthly, now yes, this is a very nice good discount by the way, but the technical target still remains that you actually make this bear flag from the top to the bottom right there, and this is where you're gonna have to come down, and that takes you almost to the $15 $14 region. Now I told you on a monthly time frame this is a very big level of support. Do you see that? Nearly the $10. Okay, so if things get worse, in my opinion, the $10 is gonna be the best place to ever buy AXS on a discount. So I'm not really sure it's gonna do that. Maybe we still have 18 more days to close the monthly time frame. I'm still not so convinced with the drops right now. It's already 83% discounted, and because there is a little bit of a threat for the bear market, so it doesn't even make sense for 92% discount. It is what it is, because that's how the bear markets are. Don't even bash me about saying that. This is just how crypto is, and the bear market really is. If you're new, then you probably might not know this. Now you know. So that's it for this update. It's really crucial to actually break $27, but the weekend is approaching, so you gotta be super careful, super careful. The next 2 days does matter, and how we close the weekly candlestick really matters as well. And let's see how the response really is. Once we do that, once we get the response in the next 2 days by the weekly opening, the next week opening, we are going to talk about the next moves to the upside. Right now it's just no direction at this point of time. Not bullish, but more bearish than bullish, to be honest with you. There's no any progress to say that it's actually bullish. And that's it for today's update. Guys, do join the Discord. The link is in the description. Okay, this is the link here in this video. Click on this link and you're already in. Okay, just one tap and you're in. That's it. And if you want to learn more about trading, do check out my trading course as well. Message me in the Discord to get a discount. And that's it. I'm gonna see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.